Y'all, ain't nothing more special than old bacon, some sausage on the griddle. First thing in the morning, boy, that'll get you right there. Hey, today we're gonna do a bacon and sausage, not together, they're separate, egg in a hole sandwich. Whoo, boy, it's gonna be some good groceries. And what we're doing right now is I'm attempting to get this bacon down onto the griddle, get this cooking. I got my griddle about on a low temperature, y'all, and this is just some old thick cut bacon. Now you want to be sure, get your bacon lined up real nice because, well, you know how those dang Andersons, they might come over and be talking trash about how you got your bacon lined up. I like to take my bacon, like to go horizontally on one side or the other, middle, whatever you want it. I'm just going low and slow with this bacon, got plenty of time. I like to go horizontally instead of vertically so that I can get my spatula up under all this bacon, flip many at one time, if not this whole line. So that's just a little old trick from old Hussey, okay? So I got some sausage, Nisi sausage. This is a local sausage to me. If you're not in North Carolina, of course you can't get it. But if you're in North Carolina, you can probably get it. And if you can, get some, it's good. I'm doing a bacon sandwich, doing a sausage sandwich. They're not gonna be together. I'm doing that because some people don't like bacon. They're a little extra, y'all. They're just a little extra, and I don't know what to do about it. Normally, I would pat these out into, you know, like a patty, but you know, I'm just gonna bare hand this because, you know, I'm a man and stuff. Old Anderson's come over. I want him to know who he's dealing with. Old man that can bare hand some sausage. We're gonna make these things into a patty. This already had wax paper on it, so I'm just gonna use it. Use it to my advantage. I'm not really like looking for like a smash burger technique here. I'm just looking to make this into just a patty, all right? So not real small, not real big, but just something to put on a sandwich, all right? So let's talk about this egg in a hole sandwich. I wanna know first, what do y'all call an egg in a hole? Some call it egg in a basket, fire in the hole or something like that, or birds and the bees or something. Shoot, I don't know. I call them egg in the holes. My daughter, she absolutely loves them. Want to know what you guys, how do you guys pronounce it? How do you guys say it? I'm interested down below. How do you say it, Jacob?
Egg in the hole.
Egg in the hole, Jacob says. There you have it. While we got our bacon and sausage going, we're going to come over to our bread. And today we're using this is sourdough bread from Pepperidge Farm. Now it's got just a cookie cutter, basically. You can use a glass, you can use whatever you want. You can use your pocket knife if you want to. And we're just pop it out, just as easy as that. All right, now after that, we're gonna come over and flip our sausage, flip our bacon. Our sausage is pretty much done. I'm just gonna bring those over here, cool side of the griddle. Our bacon, I'm gonna come over here to the middle, finish crisping this up. All right, we're gonna finish these last two pieces of bacon, put those over there. This side of the griddle over here is off. I got the rest of these on because we gotta finish our egg and a whole breakfast sandwiches. And we got a really, really loud jet going over my head. Thanks, guys. Butter. Got some of the bacon grease still on this griddle top. I don't want it all to be bacon because for whatever reason, I like butter, okay? So we got some of that bacon grease, some of this butter, put our egg and our bread down. So I'm gonna toast these just a little bit. I'm not gonna toast them as much as the next side when we flip them because this is gonna be the inside of our sandwich. Our bread, it's about like that right there. It's good to go. I'm bringing all these over here. The reason why I'm doing that is because I've left this on high and it's really hot, but that's not the only reason. And I'm going to let this cool off a little bit because of my miscue. Put more butter down. That way our other side gets butter love too. Because we all know everybody wants butter love. That's my middle name too, by chance. Matthew Butter Love Hussey. There we go. And there we go. Let's get some eggs a-cracking. One egg. There we go. Whoop. I know y'all like it whenever I put the eggshell in the yard. I just know you love it. Alrighty. Little doggies. 6 old eggs. Watch out, Maggie. Coming in. And whoop. Gotcha. Let's talk about a seasoning. I like my own little Hussey heifer dust on mine. Went a little heavy on that one, but that's okay. Now I did misspeak a little earlier. I'm going to flip these over and finish cooking this. This is going to be the outside, and what's on the griddle right now is the inside. So I kind of misspoke a little bit earlier. I'm so sorry. Let's look at our little circular pieces right there. This side of the griddle's off actually, so it ain't going to get real toasty, but it just might, just like some of this. Let's see. All right, that's ready to flip. Okay, we're going to flip it. You ready? I'm going to try to do them both at the same time. I'm going to come up under it and just like that, and just like that. Okay, now this is a sandwich, y'all, and a sandwich gets mayonnaise. Okay, so a little bit of mayonnaise, Don't want to mess with our egg too much, but it needs mayonnaise. Okay, a little cheese. I'm gonna put cheese on every slice. We got our sausage over here. We're gonna do a couple sausages. We're gonna do bacon right here. We want to make sure we have enough bacon. I tell you what we're going to do. We're going to do a bacon and a sausage. How about that? Now we're going to put the tops on these dudes, just like that right there. All right, we want to melt this cheese. I'm just going to put this cover over it. And Jacob's moved my water bottles everywhere. I'm just going to squirt just a little bit of water just to create a little bit of steam. That's going to help that cheese melt wonderfully, okay? Don't need long. If you got some ice cubes, that'll work too. Just put a few ice cubes in there. All right, after about a minute, we're gonna see where our sandwiches are. Oh boy, look at that, it looks good. I'm gonna put these onto a nice serving platter. Whoo, boy, you give this to me. Hey, y'all don't go anywhere. Got them bloopers coming up. Everybody loves them bloopers. Actually, I'm gonna put these just right there. I'm just gonna put them right there, just so everybody can take a look-see. Look at that right there. Son. What do you think, Maggie girl? Huh? You want one of these? The kids will fight over this. Here you go. I'm not gonna waste any time here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these dudes. I'm gonna do the one with both bacon and sausage. Woohoo, boy, look at that right there. Look at that. That's exactly what I want. It's like the evidence is all over the knife. Dang it, boy. Woo. Look at that. Look at this. Boys and girls. Woo-hoo-hoo, doggies. Let's give us a try. Oh man. Oh, I like that. I do like a little sriracha, a little hot sauce. A little Texas Pete works too. A little Texas Pete works. Sriracha works really good. That's slamming right there. Need that mayonnaise. I like the bacon and the sausage. Nice creaminess of that egg. Little bit. Some of it is. You can see right here. It's kind of cooked through, which is perfect. That's what I want for this. Don't want it real runny. Want some runny. Creaminess of the Duke's mayonnaise. Bacon tastes awesome. I know you're looking forward to it. Let's get to those bloopers. Oh, I need a cheese. I forgot cheese. Walk of shame. Walk of shame. Oh. Gosh darn it, forgot the cheese. Forgot the cheese, Jacob. You just don't want that. I'm all screwed. There's my butter. I was looking over here because you made me move it.
I didn't ask you to move the butter. I just wanted to move the box.
You said move it. The holy poly polka. I need one more egg. I don't have enough eggs. I've got 6 eggs. I need 6 pieces of toast. Here I am going back to the refrigerator. Raider. All right. Got enough mayonnaise as we can, all right? Whoop, good night in the morning. I dropped the cheese. Drop the cheese. Man, that's gonna be good. I smell that heifer dust. That's a good smell in the morning. That's what I like to, that's why, as a matter of fact, I like to shower with heifer dust. You know, just be in the shower, just lathering up, you know, just good stuff. It's a good smell in the morning, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah.